Knees, head, straight body eh. Toes, shoulder, toe. Slay, so 1, 2, 3, okay, 2. Good job. Wow. Okay, 3, ano na score? 2, 1. 2 girls, 1 point ng boys. Okay, raise to 5, please. Ano, heads? Ano mag-go? Ano nag-go mo agad? Heads, shoulders, toes, heads, shoulders, toes, knees, shoulders. Oh, kaya pa? Okay, 3 was up 3 and 2. So 2 points each for the boys and girls. Okay, let's see. Okay, yung... Sorry, knees, shoulders. Ayaw nga, no? Switch muna. Thank you for reminding me. Switch first. Make sure na hindi yung first yung partner. Galingan nyo na lang sa memory. Hindi ko na kilala kung sino-sino yung magpa-partner eh. Ayun. So, knees, toes, head, ankles. Oh, diba? Oh, alam nyo. Best in science. Heads, shoulders, liver. Go! Shoulders. Phalanges. Oh, hindi nag-biology. Mga hindi nag-biology. It's fingers. Shoulders. Head. Oh, you do it. Head. Toes. Knees. Shoulders. Heads. Nose. Knees. Knees. Shoulders. Head. Toes. Shoulders. Head. Ano, kaya nyo pa? Alam nyo pa ba yung pinagagawa nyo? Okay. Heads. Knees. Shoulders. Knees, toes, head, go! And it's 3, 2. Congratulations, boys, because you will be the winner of this game. Thank you, you make me see. Yes, boys! Prizes will be here. Teams, prizes from Tita Eboy. Also, the non-winners, you can go to Tita Eboy.